everyone. I'm Sanika Shah. I'm 21 years old and I'm from Mumbai. I'm an actor, a dancer, and a high altitude mountaineer. Yes, I know all three completely different worlds, but I think driven by the same passion, discipline, and pushing limits in all three. I've been training and learning as an artist for most of my life. I am a professionally trained Bharatanatyam dancer. I started it at the age of 4, and after that, I learned a lot of styles: jazz, contemporary, hip hop, Bollywood. Along with everything, I even learned acting. So, like, I graduated in acting. I did BA in acting from a film school. For the past 5 years, I've also been involved deeply and most passionately, I would say, in mountaineering. And I think for me, movement and art, just performing as an artist or climbing mountains, they all just connect in some way, because at the end of the day, you are pushing your mind, you're pushing your body to do something which is incredible. And just to have that realization that what all your body can achieve and what's its ability and capability, it's just amazing, to feel that way. So over the past 5 years, I have trained and climbed a lot in India as well as places like Africa and Europe, Russia side. So recent summits are my Kangya Chittu expedition, which is in Ladakh. Just in this October 2025, I became the youngest Indian and the first Indian woman to summit Himlung Himal. It's a 7,000 meter peak in Nepal, fairly in a remote area of Annapurna region, and a challenging climb. So I think that was my one of the most major expeditions. Having done some major summits too, like Mount Kilimanjaro, Elbrus, attempted Aconcagua, which is in South America, attempted Island Peak. But yes, of course, there are always going to be some successful summits and some, I wouldn't call it a failure, because every time you go and maybe you're not summiting and you weren't able to summit, you always learn something new about yourself, and you know what to enhance more in your training and just the way you condition your body. And I think for any mountaineer, if you ask them that which is that one peak that they desire the most, that they want to climb, it is of course Mount Everest. Like, my journey in mountaineering also started like that, because I saw this Everest movie in lockdown. It's based on a true story, 1996. Of course, after watching that movie, I was just so mesmerized by the world of mountaineering, and my first thought was that, you know what, Sanika, you are going to climb Everest one day. That has been my main goal for the past 5 years. So after climbing so many peaks and just training so hard, now like the final goal will be Everest, soon. So really looking forward to that. So all the people who have maybe come here from my Instagram, they know that I've been most active on that and just been posting every single day about every single thing. My expeditions, my training, what I'm doing in a day, what I'm eating. But I had YouTube since a long time, but just not posting about it. So here I've thought that I'll be sharing my journey, my preparation, my experience, my training, just be shooting everything to make it more fun. And if you're a trekker or a mountaineer like me, and this story, this journey resonates with you, just stay connected here and we'll grow together. Thank you so much.